The Jamaica Teachers Association is pressing the government to offer psychosocial support to parents and students during the pandemic. President of the association, Gabriel, says this is necessary because the JTA has received reports of mental health issues among students. He was speaking at a recent Rotary Club of Kingston meeting. Anthony Lugg reports.
It's been 6 months since students had face-to-face classes, and studies have revealed that the impact has been devastating. A recent UNICEF study carried out by Capri revealed that more than 30% of students in Jamaica had challenges utilizing the distance learning platform due to connectivity issues and lack of access to a device. The same report revealed that 44% of households in Jamaica are experiencing food shortage due to loss of income. Speaking at a recent Rotary Club meeting, President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Gabriel, argued that the challenges highlight the need for psychosocial support for parents and students.
We have a number of cases of students that are presenting with mental health issues, as well as teachers and so on. And so the psychosocial support, it is going on, but much more of that is going to be needed because, let's face it, the COVID pandemic has rearranged our lives in a way like we have never seen before.
Our new center has received reports of frustration and depression among parents as they try to cope with the effects of the pandemic. For students, there have been reports of withdrawal symptoms, sadness, and fear.
There's a lot of anxiety and uncertainty about the future. Jobs have been affected, relationships have been affected, and when you talk to students these days, they're not even talking so much about the curriculum and what they would have missed out. They're talking more about how they miss their friends and how they long to be together.
As parents, students, and teachers grapple with the effects of the pandemic, the JTA president is calling for urgent support in this area to address mental health concerns.
While we have to guide the academic side of things, we're also conscious of the issues that will present as students are not able to engage in the kind of camaraderie and fellowship that they would have been used to. And so the psychosocial support is ever so much important.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.